Alright guys, here she is. This is my Marmot Limelight 4P backpacking tent. And I'm actually out here currently in my yard, and I'm going to test it out because apparently tomorrow we're going to be hit with some heavy snowstorms. It'll be snowing for 2 days. And they're talking about anywhere from 12 to 14 inches. So this is a 3-season backpacking tent. And this is like part of my, wild camp or go out camping, having a good time tent, But I want to put it to the test and see how it really will do against the elements of all that really heavy snow. I'll do a gear review on the whole actual tent. This is actually just kind of a review of how the tent's going to handle. So I'm going to open it up, show you the inside of it. And what I like about it personally is I love my vestibule. All the room, you can cook outside. You can do everything you want in the vestibules. Of course it, clips up there and everything, but I'm not going to do all that because I'm not even getting in it. And here's the inside. Spacious, roomy. I'm 6 foot something and 300 some pounds, so I like it myself personally for just me, which is way overkill, but that's me. I'm just a luxury camper, backpacker. But you can still fit 2 people, 3 people. If you get skinny folks, I'm sure you can get 4 in there. So, but yeah, we're gonna see what it does and how it handles. So until then, we made a campfire over here, and we're gonna sit here and have a couple of drinks at my personal house. I got guys way down there driving the lawnmower, taking wood from the woods. Obviously all the dead stuff, cleaning my yard up. Let's see if he even gets out of there. He's all up in the woods, in the lawnmower. And remind you, I don't have trails there. That's just straight off-roading. I think he's stuck. Oh, there he comes. Crazy heads. Well, at least he's tearing up my woods, not somebody else's. Alright, well, we're out of here. I'm going to go back by the fire, have a drink. But I'm sure you guys want to see if he gets out or not, though, right? So, I'll do it for y'all. Oh, he gets out. He's rocking back and forth. It looks like he's on the pooter. Come on, buddy. Get on out of there. There's always action going on around here. Look at him. What is he doing? On the pooter. Alright. Out of here. Huh? Oh my God, look at that tire spinning. Look at all that wood he's got. Does he need a push? And he's free. He is free, ladies and gentlemen. He is free.